Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Honor GT Pro, OnePlus 13T and Motorola Edge 60. Let's see this entire video. First, compare the body features. Honor GT Pro and Motorola Edge 60 come with IP68 rating, and the OnePlus 13T comes with an IP65 rating. Next, compare display features. OnePlus 13T and Honor GT Pro come with AMOLED display, and the Motorola Edge 60 comes with P-OLED display. Hardware features. Honor GT Pro and OnePlus 13T are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Motorola Edge 60 comes with the MediaTek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, OnePlus 13 comes with 2 rear cameras, and the Honor GT Pro and Motorola Edge 60 come with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.